There are 7 easy steps when installing a full end assembly using the Stay Tight system by Rotech. Step 1. Dig a shallow hole where the drive tight post will go. Make it approximately 100mm deep. Step 2. Drive the drive tight post into the ground until the base of the round post is below ground level. The drive tight post has 4.5mm thick walls, so it's more than heavy enough to easily withstand the pressures of driving a post in, and more than strong enough to support your fence line and to swing gates. Even in quite compacted ground, you can see that the drive tight post is easily driven by hand. So there it is. Job done in just over a minute without any specialised or heavy equipment. Attach the lugs to the base of the post and drive half-length star pickets into both ground pin lugs at 45 degrees and then fill the hole back in. Step 3. Place the tension cable over the strainer post, lower it to the ground, and then walk the cable out to where the footplate will be located. Step 4. Tap the twist tight tongue into the stay and attach the stay to the strainer using the twist tight connector that's provided. Don't fully tighten it up just yet. Step 5 is to insert the tongue on the footplate into the end of the stay. Step 6 is to push the tension bolt through the footplate and thread the nut on. Step 7. Ensure the stay is pointing in the same direction that the fence wire will travel, and then tighten up the twist tight post and stay connectors and the nut on the tension bolt until there's no slack in the cable. The post is engineered to be leaning back ever so slightly to allow for the pull of the wire once it's fully tensioned up. And there you have it. Australia's best looking and most user-friendly round post end assembly. The Drive Tight hand drivable strainer post is part of the Stay Tight system from Rotech.